Hi everyone, welcome back to the Reclaimed Ranch. My name is Tara, and for today's furniture flip is going to be this two-piece hutch, blue hutch. So it's going to be a quick video, but I hope you enjoy. This is a huge hutch that a friend of mine is letting me use to put my Fusion paint line in her store. It's got a big crack here up on that side, so we'll have to fix that. But this is the original color, and not the original color, this is the color it was. There's been 5 colors of paint we've had to go through. There's cream, white, green, brown, and blue. So this piece sits up on top of that piece. So I've stripped it, I've used a carbide blade on it, we're sanding it. So definitely it's not going to get down to the wood, but we'll paint it and make it look a lot nicer for the display. I'm going to go ahead and take some Titebond wood glue, and I used a little toothpick to kind of squish the glue all the way through that crack line on both sides. And I'll do that on both areas of where that big crack is. And then I'm also going to use a brad nailer to put a few nails in just to hold it secure while that glue dries. But definitely have to clamp this down because it's a heavy piece of wood and it would not hold by itself. So I let that sit for quite a few hours before we proceeded with the next step. So I just wanted to sand it down. I knew I wasn't going to get through all the paint layers. I wanted to just sand it down smooth enough to have me paint the Fusion on top. There's a couple areas that have big divots on the top, so I used some clay to kind of fill those areas up. And then with the top part here, I left it blue, but I just scuff sanded it to make it smooth enough for the paint. So the base of it, I'm going to use the Fusion Cashmere, and I'm using my mister again with a Stallmeister brush to give a nice clean look to it. And I did 2 coats of the cashmere, and then on the top part I did the outer shell, the cashmere, and then the inside I did Fusion's oakum, and I also did the top of the lower part of the hutch the same color. So with Fusion, you want to be real cognizant of your lighting because the colors can definitely change in the light, and I'll show you at the end of the video what I'm talking about. Even though oakum is the same exact color that I put on the tabletop here and in the shelving, because the shadows, it looks darker on the top than it does on the table. So it'll look like a gray color on this part that I'm painting now, and then the inside where the paint is, it looks that dark brown. So I did 2 full coats on each of these pieces as well with the oakum, and of course with Fusion there's no need to top coat. So here it is in the store. You can see the difference there. It's a really nice rich brown color, and then the base there, because of the lighting, looks gray, like a darker gray, but it's still the same color. So if you're going to be using the Fusion paint line, or any paint line for that matter, just be real aware of your lighting situation, because the color that you choose may not be the color that it comes out to be when you're done painting. So I hope you liked this video today. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year. We'll see you soon. Bye.